Hi, my name is Anchal Sharma. I am a digital marketing consultant and trainer. I work for Digital Vidya for majorly conducting their academic and corporate training. The subjects that I handle mainly are email marketing, inbound marketing, web analytics, organic and paid social media marketing. In my total experience of 16 years, I have spent around 9 years in digital marketing, where I have worked on majorly like SEO, Google Ads, YouTube optimization, and lot more. Even after spending so many years in digital marketing, I'm still passionate about learning more and more in this thriving niche. And if you are also equally passionate about learning digital marketing in the best possible way, giving equal importance to conceptual as well as practical learning, then I highly recommend you to consider Digital Vidya's digital marketing orientation program, where these things are balanced in a much better way. So trust me, it is worth going for. Thank you.